I want to see clean, fresh, and clean. Mary, you know what? You're always dirty. Your pants are dirty, your shirt is dirty, your shoes are dirty. When you come into work, it's dirty. You don't even get your stains up. You go out there in that shop and spend 8 hours a day and see how clean and fresh you look. Why can't you get a shirt with sleeves on? Because I don't like sleeves. I don't like feeling constricted. Right, there are. That's right. You know, even with a crew of ragamuffins, I think things are moving along fine again. Okay, make sure that you router it twice. You got it plugged in?
Oh God, you're playing with the toy for the first time.
You know, you got a lot to do here. You got to paint it. Just be careful, don't scratch it. All right. What?
I got these two branches from well, my uncle was gonna throw them away, but I wanted to make a tree stand, so I just cut that one and screwed it onto the bottom of the wood, and I did the same for this one, and then I started making those little toys. They're really inexpensive. I bought those lines, I don't know what they're called, for $1.99, and the beads I bought them for $2.50. And the way you do them is, you want to do a little perch. You just get, what is it called? You get the pipe cleaner thingies. Yeah, and you put beads into them, and then you just put them in. They find it really interesting. And I got a paper clip, and I just put the beads over them. They've been playing with it all day. And that, I just did a bunch of those little thingies, whatever they're called, with beads, and then I just curled them. I made them curly. They were playing with it, but yeah.
Like that, so you're the best person to do your taxes. Enjoy TurboTax. It's amazing what